My name is Salome Alexander Mushi. I come from Tanzania, Dar es Salaam, that's the capital city. I'm 69 years old. I had a problem with my heart for the past 17 years. Had a slow heart moving and also a rhythm problem. So I had my first pacemaker in South Africa hospital. And then after some 9 years, I got the second pacemaker. And then 8 years again, I got the third pacemaker. So I decided to do a general checkup because I've heard a lot about Indian doctors and hospitals. So I decided as well to take advantage because I was already here. So I visited Max Hospital, Saket.
So this gentle lady came to us with breathing difficulty and a problem with her pacemaker. One of the leads that was implanted was not functioning properly.
The hospital in South Africa, they told me that it's a very risky operation, and they told me that they cannot do it. So I've been having this problem for over a year of the lead that was not pacing in the upper chamber.
And on echo, we found that one of her valves was leaking. So she had a double problem.
So after that, I was given an emergency surgery.
And if we do open heart surgery, she was very, very high risk, and we didn't want to do that. So we decided to do a minimally invasive procedure wherein without opening her chest, we are able to fix the valve, which is a mitral valve, repair it without surgery, and leakage stopped there. And then we went on to change the lead and the pacemaker battery also.
The following day, after I had come out of the theater, I'm telling you, it was a miracle.
And finally, we have a patient who's feeling much better and ready to go back to her home. Before
the surgery, I couldn't walk fast. I couldn't climb the stairs. At night, I used to get palpitations and sometimes a serious heart pain. After the operation, I can now walk fast. I went round the corridors and I was running. So I could run and also I can breathe well, and the pain at the chest has vanished. I really appreciate Dr. Balbir. I appreciate this hospital, and for any problem, I will keep on coming here and I will keep on referring people here because they will get a VIP treatment.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest healthcare updates.